Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're going to walk you through the process of downloading Camtasia on your Windows computer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced video editor, Camtasia is a powerful tool that can help you create amazing videos. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Camtasia and hit Enter. This will take you to the official Camtasia website. Once you're on the Camtasia website, click on the Start Free Trial button. After that, click on the Sign Up and Download button. Now, log in with your Google account or email to start the process. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions and click on the Continue button. Downloading will start automatically. After the download is complete, run the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Camtasia. If you purchased a Camtasia license, you'll need to activate it. You'll typically find an activation key in your purchase confirmation email. Follow the prompts in the Camtasia application to enter your activation key. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed Camtasia on your Windows computer. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.